This is gonna suck because that gas tank's smack right up against here, and there's a holes up there. So I need to get in there to weld that. And then along the inside of this rail, it's a mess. I've never seen so many holes in the frame. And this is really bad. I'll have to cut all that out. Do something here. It's horrible. And then this side. And there's a really bad spot here. This is really freaking bad. That's horrible. And it's behind the leaf spring perch. I'm not even sure how well I'm going to be able to get up in there. But this is really bad too. The exhaust is going to have to come down to get to that. That's a really big, horrible hole there. And then there's one more. Up here. That's kind of a tight spot to be welding in, but I think I can get up in there. But the tank is going to have to at least be moved over enough to get to that one spot up there. And the exhaust has to come down. No doubt about it, that exhaust has to come down. I can't get up in there.